Everyone, welcome to my channel. We know Google Data Studio is one of the most widely used cloud-based business intelligence tool that everyone is using industry-wide. In this video, we look at how to pick up the right chart to use in the Google Data Studio that offers a multiple options of chart types. Let's have a look. Also, this video is part of the complete Google Data Studio course that I have in Udemy, and you will find the link in the description. Hi guys, welcome back. We are aware of the multiple chart options Google Data Studio provides. There are pivot tables, time series, bars, pies, maps, scatter, heat maps, bullet maps, and a lot of such visualization and even third-party community visualizations as well. It is a difficult task and a task that requires a really good mastery over which visualization to use in which scenario. Let's go to Google and search for Dashboard Development Checklist. I have a blog written over it. Let's just click it. There are a few dashboard design principles outlined in this blog. Let's straight away run to choosing the right graphs. So there is an entire cheat sheet to choose the right graph basis on what would you like to show. If you like to show comparison amongst items which has few variables per item, probably a bar chart vertical or a column chart or a bar chart horizontal would work. But if you're doing a comparison over time, then a line chart is the right choice. Also, if you're showing distribution, a scatter plot would be the preferred one. Also, if you're showing a relationship between three variables, probably a scatter plot bubble size would be the right choice. Further, if you want to show composition, then probably a stacked 100% bar chart is the one that you should use. But that is the time when you are viewing it changing over time. If it is a static composition, a pie chart is the right choice, or probably a waterfall, and a tree map will also do the purpose. So feel free to explore these kind of charts and make sure that you first ask yourself the question, what would you like to show? And then use the sheet to go for the right visualization and not just any visualization just because it looks good. I hope this cheat sheet will be very helpful for you. Thank you and see you in the next video.